start a business with less than $500. What? Yeah, that's exactly what I used to think until I tried it for myself. So today I want to share with you 7 businesses you can start with less than $500. Let's go. Thanks for returning back to the channel. Now, before we get started, press that like button. It really helps the channel out and helps the video to get to a wider audience. Let's get right to it. All right, business number one, become a website designer, right? Now, before you say, nah, I can't do that, let me tell you how easy it is to create websites these days. It's not like the old days where you had to learn all this programming. These days, you can use simple, easy to use templates and sell the templates to small business or new business owners. All right. For example, on Kajabi, they have just dozens of templates that are so clean, neat, professional looking. They specialize in like beauty, in health and wellness, or in, someone who sells courses. So there are so many different templates that you can use on there, even for nonprofits. Now, outside of Kajabi, other places where you could go and quickly learn how to design these templates, aka websites, is you could go to Wix or you could go to WordPress. All right, learn how to design websites or templates on these platforms and market yourself and sell them to new business owners. Number 2, become a tutor. Right now, in your spare time, you can help others learn something that is easy and natural for you. Now, one example of being a tutor is, say you're really good at math or really good at Spanish, helping people who only speak English to learn Spanish, or even piano lessons, right? So tutor.com is a place that brings the person searching on Google to the person who understands and will tutor them, right? So tutor.com is the middleman. You sign up on their website as a partner, and then you start making bank. Number 3, become a course creator or digital product creator, right? So in this day and age, you can create Excel templates and sell those online, or you can create complete courses. And again, when I just spoke of Kajabi, it's a one-stop huge business and marketing platform, which helps people to easily create something and sell it. Now with Kajabi, you can market the product, you can design the product. Kajabi makes it really easy to make some really good money and a really good part-time or full-time living by selling courses, ebooks, Excel templates, recipes, you name it, Kajabi does it. Number 4, start a cleaning company. Now, with everybody so busy these days, working or being an entrepreneur or, just working longer hours, people need help at home. People actually need help, someone to help them to clean the property, or again, with entrepreneurship these days, people have Airbnbs over here and Airbnbs over there, downtown, east side, west, north, and south. So they need good, dependable cleaning companies to help them keep the properties clean. Now, outside of residential cleaning companies, you could also consider, marketing yourself to businesses like the large corporations or the large buildings, right? So there's also a lot of opportunity in the commercial cleaning space. Now, before we get to the last 3 business ideas, drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you think it's easier to sign up and make good money on tutor.com or to create your own digital products or sell websites on Kajabi. Let me know. All right, y'all. Number 5, loan signing agent. Now, a loan signing agent typically is a person who is a notary, right? But during COVID, the last couple of years, there has become a bigger demand for mobile notaries and just for loan signing agents. And so, I've seen so many loan signing agents really blow up as a result of COVID because they needed to be everywhere for a business to continue to conduct. A lot of people were refinancing during COVID and people were still doing real estate deals. So if you think you have a connection with a lot of real estate agents and you are already a notary, you could really start to market yourself as a mobile notary or connect with some title companies and see if you can be a loan signing agent with them. Some of them are making six figures and just working a few days or a few hours a week. All right, next on the list is property management. Now, property management, I think, is always in demand. And, it could be because I'm in a hot real estate investor area, right? And so investors from all over the world are always in our city looking for good property managers. Now, basically with a property management business, you would market yourself as a property manager. You would help to get repairs done, take tenant phone calls, and collect rent, send out letters, file in the courts for an absent property owner, right? So property management is in high demand. Some states, very few, do require a license, but you could partner up with a broker and I'm sure make a lot of money in property management. Finally, we're at number 7. Now, again, I got to bring up COVID and everything that happened in 2020. So in 2020, there was a huge change. A lot of people who never expected to get a pet got a pet during COVID, right? A lot of pet businesses really made a lot of money and really grew during the COVID era, the beginning of the COVID era, because people wanted pets, people wanted pet accessories, people needed pet sitters, people needed pet walkers, people needed help with their pets. So, you could start a dog walking business, a dog sitting business, or a dog or cat. So again, during COVID 2020, that whole era, people, there was a bigger demand for pets, for pet sitters, for pet walkers, for pet accessories, anything to do with pets. A lot of people have pets now who never imagined they would have a pet, and it was all thanks to COVID, and I'm one of them. So I'm always looking and searching for pet sitters. These pet daycares are booming, and it's people like me who are utilizing them and really need them. So start a pet business, right? You could market yourself online. You could start in your own neighborhood, right? Get you some flyers from Canva, print you out some flyers, put them up at pet. I would say I would start with vet clinics. They always have boards where you could just put your flyer in there, but market online. So if you like pets and you want to be a business owner, that is one of the easiest ways to get started. Pet sitting. So that's it. That is 7 businesses you can start today with less than $500. Now, if you liked this video or got any comments or concerns, don't forget, drop them in that comment section. I'd really appreciate it. All right. Thanks for watching. It's Katina Willis, aka Katina the Broker. That's my name all over social media. So I'll see you on the next video.